Piwi! Wow!
Get it, get it. Sige na, go, go. Go.
Lang sa excited ka.
Wow. Kung arog lang kita kain ibaga.
Sabi sa struggle kanina. Kung di habo maglakaw. Yun, naka-video kayo.
Okay. So far, so good. Run. Tama yun ang morning jog mo. Nature walk na tayo.
Okay. Freedom.
Because you are very naughty. Go, Peppa. Ay,
Hello! Nasyong, thank you. Hello, Piw. Tiga-alat ka mo, ne. Hello, Ash. Hi, Ashung. Yung best kasi mai-injury kapag ano.
Magayunon, bes. Hi, guys. Challenge lang sila, hindi sila stressful. Oh. Let's go po. Atin ng pili. Go, go. Go. Luway, luway. Ito si Ate Liz. Hi, Bes! Nice. Okay, go. Ew. Alipin mo. Cute! Cutie! Basang daan. Cute ka. Ash. Ash. Hello. First toy sa dagat. Wow! Pwedeng madubog. Yeah! Cute na yan! Suwayo. Five o'clock. Bata na kami, bes. Maglubog ka na, bes. Para tuloy-tuloy na. Urawang nag-uuran pati.
Hindi nila alam.
Pero kumakatay. Nagday mo ginaon.
Nagwiwi. Ito po kami nag-ano. Marimar.
All my dreams are waiting at the door. Oh, good morning, light. You break the night like a warm embrace. Filling up my life with your tender grace. Every shadow fades when the dawn is played in the quiet moment. Oh, I'm unafraid. Coffee brews like an old guitar playing. Snow like steam curling in the air.